Hey guys, today is February the 26th of 2013, and I just want to show you some charts and my thoughts on the euro. Just want to let you know I'm not a financial consultant or advisor, so please seek financial advice somewhere else from a professional. I'm just a guy that looks at charts, Fibonacci levels, spiral levels, weird stuff, cycle analysis, and just give you my own thoughts and look at trend lines and tell you where I think support and resistance is. So with that being said, let's get into the chart. This is my monthly chart. This is the one I always start with because these are the ones I see the big picture in regards to like big angle support. And this was resistance from, I always told you, 37.10. If you were short from here and wrote this puppy down, you are big. I didn't get to do it, but I knew that was going to be resistance once I saw price action respected. Now support is here at that 30.53. It pierced it, got above it, and now right now is dancing around it, and we are trying to see what the euro is going to do. If it cracks this and it goes down, next big support to watch will be that 29.27. That's that one by one angle, or the 45 if you want to call it. So just want to put that out there so you guys could jog these numbers down and have it in the back of your mind. I wanted to show you also, let's go to this charts over here. My 6 month, this is a grid I have, and pretty much all these angles, this is like a grid, and sometimes when price gets out of it, these grids still remain support or resistance. Like right here, it found this support and it just boom right here, resistance, resistance, support. So I wanted to show you that the 50% level is that 30.54, which is the same one from that monthly. This is a daily chart. So this is another strong angle, another strong support, I'm sorry, where the euro could find a base and just build up and go up. Or if it cracks it, it's going down. It's going to land probably over here. So I just want to show you that 30.50-ish level. It's a very good support if you ask me. Let's look at my 9.14 high. It cracked it already, and it's at a measure mood at the 30.69. It's still dancing around here. It's still, dancing around it, but below the 1 by 1 in regards to price and time from the 9.14 pivot high. I got to do another chart now to pick this pivot high, and this is going to be my 4 by 1, and everything is going to pretty much going to shift. I'll probably do that next week and see how this price action goes. My 2-year Fib in time right here, this is a 38.2% Fibonacci level, which is that 30.46. And look, it found support right here, pierced it, and it's still above it. So could be some support right now on the euro. But we shall see. What another chart I wanted to show you? My monthly spiral right here. Resistance as of now, that 30.72-ish. It's below it. If it continues going down, it'll probably find support here, and then here. Here will probably be, depending where it's at on a daily, 28.80. If it goes up, it might find resistance at that 3200 or around here, 3202. So, and then it'll find all this resistance up here until it breaks it and goes through. Let's see, another chart I wanted to show you. Got a lot of charts I want to show you. Let's see, 4-year, crack this angle right here, price and time. This could be another support if it gets down there, 28.58. Let's see, 3-year, found support here at this fib arc and fib fan, pierced it, and now it's just here. It could test it down here, go sideways, go up, or it could just go up, or it could just tank. One of those three is going to do, but at least you know this level right here, which is that 30, 36 around there arc, and this level right here just crosses. So it could be a cluster of support right here, if you ask me. What else I wanted to show you? There was one I wanted to show you, but I don't know which one it is. I got so many here. Let's see, fib in time 2-year. No, that's the same thing. Anyway, I wanted to show you this possible turns. This is a cycle thing I'm working on, and these are future dates. Never mind the angles. This is just something internal that I'm using, but the dates I just have there. And the one that we need to focus on as of now, I'll work on some more cycle analysis, but right now is March the 23rd. This thing could keep going down until March the 23rd, which is around somewhere around here, and then maybe find support here and go up. And this is just speculating, or this thing could turn around, next month and go up and find resistance on the 23rd. But I just want you to keep in mind the 23rd. I had a cycle day on the 24th, and then the next one after the March will be April the 10th, which is that one right here. But this is futuristic. But just jog down March the 23rd and put it next to your monitor. When that day comes, just look at the euro and see what's going on. Where are we at? Is it on a low? Is it on a high? Is it just sideways? And maybe there could be a pop or a drop. Just keep it in mind. Let's look at the let's look at this chart right here. This is where I got a bunch of other indicators that I use. And this is my Ichimoku. On the futuristic part of the Ichimoku, showing the future, it's already looking bearish. We're getting a brown, dark, bearish cloud. The Chiku caught up to price and cracked it too. And look, and now it's here and it's just going sideways. Price is in the cloud consolidating and it's finding support at this linear regression line right here, and this is the top, and it's just going sideways, all the arrows. On the Tom D Mark indicator, we have a count of 9 bars, meaning that this can now be the beginning of the turn if you follow Tom D Mark. And there's a linear regression line over here, which I'm going to have to change color because sometimes it looks like my 50, and this is my 20, and that's that on the daily. On the weekly, it cracked the cloud on the weekly. I was thinking it was going to have support here at the 31.46, and it didn't. Price looks like it wants to kiss now. The Chiku wants to kiss price unless this thing turns around. But the interesting thing is on the linear regression line, these purple lines right here, this is like a channel that now it could find support, which is that 30-50-ish level on the monthly chart that I showed you from the beginning. So we could stay in this channel and maybe just go up. Now, if we crack this is going to be very bearish. The next support will probably be this 50 right here, which is that 28.93. Future's looking good on the Kumo. If you look at the 4-hour, way below the cloud, just consolidating, going sideways, nothing going on below the 20, the 50. If you go at the hour, nothing looking good, just going sideways from Monday, just going up and down, chop mode. So if you think you're going to go long and it doesn't, and it's below the 20 on the hourly, the 50s here, below the cloud, so it's not looking good. If you go to the 30, now it's getting to this cloud. It's now kissing the 20 and the 50, so, there's a lot going on here. Go to the 15, it's below the cloud in chop mode, above the 20, below the 50, so that's that. The linear regression line is pointing down, and if you really like a scalper, and you're in the 5-minute, you just came out of the cloud, and looks like you're just getting some air now. You're getting to see the light, but at the 5-minute. So who knows what's gonna happen there? Let's look at the big picture and see if there's anything else that I see there that I would like to share with you. The big picture, you guys know the drill: monthly, weekly, daily, and my 12-hour chart, which is like a 5-minute to me, and this is like my hour chart. Nothing going on the week on the 12-hour charts. TEMA red, mobile red, snap back up. CCI is in zoom mode, so that's not good. Every time this puppy snaps up and I get a signal like that, and the CC and the 50 and the 20 are in zoom mode, is definitely, and below the 20, definitely a chance it's going to go right back down. No buy signal here, all red. Got a soap signal. Doesn't mean anything unless price turns around, but it's just saying that, this could be a good opportunity to go on the long side, but sometimes that fails, so you just never know. Everything still looks bearish. Zoom mode on CCI, nothing. You can't even get above the 50 on the MMG. We just short term yellow, same thing here, and we got all psyched and went down. If you got a couple of these, and maybe you get a another color, yellow here, maybe, things could be different. As of now, MMG, my favorite indicator, purple, everything is pointing down on the weekly, still bearish. TEMA bearish, everything bearish. Looks like a snapback up, but who knows. Monthly, still holding the bullish trend, but weekly's getting weak, and this could just catch up, in fractal levels to the monthly. So, TEMA, sell, everything is just looking negative, indicator wise, building up arrows here finally the MMG cracked the 50 level, so that's not good. So I don't know. We will see what this week and the end of this month will hold for the euro. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll continue posting things that I see of interest and let you guys know what's on my mind. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace.